take right up to dawn. Oh, for a long, long time. Then when Donnie couldn't take it any longer, Betty went and changed her mind. Carol is in love with Bill. There's nothing she can do. Bill never thinks a single thing about Carol, 'cause he's in love with someone new. Ain't love a funny thing? Ain't love a funny thing? Someone's happiness and someone else's loneliness. Ain't love a funny thing? Love can do such funny things. It can make you feel 10 feet tall, and then throw you down and make you feel like a clown. Well, I'm the biggest clown of all. Ain't love a funny thing? Ain't love a funny thing? Someone's happiness is someone else's loneliness. Ain't love a funny thing? Ain't love a funny thing? Ain't love a funny thing?
All the big boys are talking about sweet little you. They say you don't know the meaning of love, and that you don't know how to be true. Yeah, the big boys are talking, but they'll never get it through my head. Because I love you so much, and I want you to know I don't believe what the big boys said. They said you were laughing and putting me down, and they say you are showing my love letters to every big boy in town. Yeah, the big boys are talking, but they'll never get it through my head. Because I love you so much, and I want you to know I don't believe what the big boy said. All the big boys are talking about the things you've done. But let them talk, keep talking, 'cause talking never hurt no one. I can't stop the boys from talking, it's just a big game they play. But I love you so much, and I want you to know I don't believe what the big boys say. They say you are easy to win, and they say when I take you home at 9:30 that they can pick you up at 10. Yeah, the big boys are talking, but I'm never getting through my head. Because I love you so much, and I want you to know I don't believe